Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add music, background music to your video or sound effects on the Videoleap application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, and after that you should tap on the this audio button down below and then click on music. Here you can find a bunch of background music options in the storyblocks section, and you can also use your own music from Apple Music, but you need to allow the app to have access to it. After allowing it, you are going to find your artist here, and then all you have to do is clicking on the relevant song. So tap on this download button, and if you are a premium member you will be able to add it to your video like this, as indicated by this blue section. Here you can select or adjust the volume by the help of this slide. You can unmute and mute it, adjust the beats, you can make it fade in or fade out. You can also adjust the speed by the help of this slide, keep the pitch, reverse it, and also use the equalizer such as bass, jazz, rock, or acoustic, treble, and so on. If you want to add sound effects, tap on the sound effects button, and here you are going to find a bunch of sound effects such as low air blow, whoosh, cinema drum hit, and so on. So again, tap on this download button, and as soon as it's downloaded you will be able to place it within the video by tapping on this icon, and then hold your finger on it and drag it to the relevant part where you want to insert this sound effect. So again, you can adjust the volume, you can adjust the speed and the equalizer as well, and other options. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.